Hey guys, what's up? My name is Robert Barry, and if you're seeing this video today, um, it means that you have joined me in $25 1up, and I'm excited that you have chosen me to be a sponsor. All right, and so guys, what I wanted to do in this video is really show you how to navigate and use some of the outlying stuff that are here on your dashboard. And so what you're looking at right now is the dashboard. This is actually my dashboard in the back office of my $25 1up. And so guys, what I wanted to say just before I get started. So in order for me to be successful, I need to make sure that you are successful. Okay. And so having said that, guys, this is going to call for work on your part. This is not an industry where you would come in and everything is on the sponsor. So it does call for work on your behalf, but I assure you that this business is fully operational and you are able to earn an extra income online. Some persons are doing it full time. And so having said that, guys, I want to get in because I need to show you some very, very important things that you need to do, that you must do once you join me in this business. All right. And so one of the first things that you're going to do once you join me in this business is go over here to the dashboard. All right. And I'm just going to refresh this right quick for you. And so one of the first things that you're going to do once you come into this area is go into the My Account section. So I'm just going to, all right, and you should click on where it says My Profile, right, guys? And what you want to do is you want to make sure that all of this information is correct and is filled out properly. All right, so you have first name, last name, address, cell phone number is optional. You don't have to fill that out if you don't want to. However, what is very important is, especially if you're going to be a leader in this opportunity, is give your prospects or give your team members as much information as possible. And so one like me, I don't have a problem with giving you my email address, as you can see here, giving you my cell contact. You know, all of that stuff is optional. However, one thing that you need to make sure that you do go ahead and fill out is this process here. Okay. And this is the edit profile section. And like I said, all of this information, all of the ones that has the asterisk is the ones that you need to definitely go ahead and fill out. Now, in order for you to be able to collect your commissions, this is very important. For me, I choose PayPal. And so for those that have Stripe, you can go ahead and enter your Stripe key, your Stripe public key. There are other payment ways in order for you to get paid. As you can see, you have Pazer, Bitcoin address, and you can go ahead and enter all of those necessary information. But for PayPal, you can just enter your PayPal email address and then also your payment details. So I have here, after you have paid me through PayPal, contact me to get you started. All right. And so that is very important. And then after that, the very next important step is the My Product section. All right. And so whichever level that you come in on, you will have full access to that level. And so the levels that we have here in $25 1up is the gold level, the platinum level, the diamond level, and the enterprise level. At this very moment of shooting this video, I am on the platinum level, but I will go ahead and show you what is given to you at the gold level. And one thing I want to say, guys, what I do like about the $24 1up system, there is no monthly fees. So having said that, there is no rush to go and run through this stuff like you're running a marathon or a race. Please take your time and go through all of these tabs individually. I will go through as much as I can today to get you on a fast track start, but it's very important that you go through each one of these steps. And so I'm going to show you what is allotted to you once you come in on the goal level. And even as a platinum level member, this tab right here, or this section right here, is one that I love very, very much. And so even for newbies, you're going to find that this tab, this section right here, is beneficial to you. And so all of these are allotted or given to you once you would have come in on the goal level. And so you have pre-written ads. I'm just going to go through them quickly. And so you can scroll down here and you will have over 50 pre-written ads. So here's the quickest way and easiest way to have to here's the quickest and easiest way to earn a passive income online. Another one, I'll scroll down. 53, learn ways to post ads and converts and generate $25 to $500 days. You can pick any one of these, but in my videos below, I will go more in depth on training on how you can take this and sort of automate your business via social media. All right, so you guys can come in here, dive into this, and this is very beneficial. Me as a platinum member, I still use this pre-written ad. So you have ad copy cheat sheet for Facebook groups cheat sheet video, 50 ways or ideas to promote any business, $25 1up business mindset training, more mindset motivation. So you guys don't go rushing like you just want to go through and you don't get the full understanding of how to operate your business. This is very important, and the creators of this business sort of fit to align each one of them individually in its order for a very specific reason. And so I encourage you to go through all of this material. The very next step, once you would have completed or go through all of these steps, is the My Business section, right? And so basically the My Business section is given, or it's there for when persons join you in your business. You're able to come here. I'll just go through this quickly. Able to come here and you can approve their payment. Okay. Once that is done, the very next step are your funnel pages. I'm just gonna go through this quickly for you. And so all of these funnels that you see here are already done for you. It's just a matter of you coming in the back here, playing around with this stuff. And so in order to grab any one of these capture pages that you love, please do not come here and copy this. You won't be able to get it. And so most of the times, to ensure that I get the correct capture page that I want, I would know, and I'm going to click. As a matter of fact, I'm using this capture page right now because this is converting very well. So I encourage all of my team members to grab this exact capture page. And so what I would do is I would come here, give it a nice click, and grab this very capture page. So I'm going to copy this quick, open up a new tab just to show you that this works, and this is how it should be done. So enter, and you should see my capture page come up. There it is. Okay, just wanted to show you that right quick, and I'll go through. These are other capture pages that you may want to consider also using as well. I just prefer this one. This is converting very, very, very well for me at the moment. All right. And like I said, ladies and gentlemen, there's going to be other videos at the bottom of this video that goes more in depth on how you take a piece from here, you take a piece from there, and you mesh it together, and you're able to put your business on autopilot. My whole thing about this online space is I love automation. You know, I don't want to be talking to 4, 5, 6, 7 people. I love automation. And so when you join my team, I'm going to show you tips and tricks on how to automate this entire business. All right. And so the very next step, once that is done, is very simple, ladies and gentlemen. Add me to Facebook. I'm going to go over now and actually show you my Facebook page. So here, you can come over to Facebook. Even though all of my information is in the back office, you should be able to see that. I have my Instagram, I have my Facebook, and I have my email, and also a cell phone contact where you can reach me. And so guys, this is what my Facebook page looks like. When you come over, you can send me a friend request. Say, hey, Robert, I just joined you in $25 1up, and I will get with you as soon as I'm available. Normally, I answer within a matter of minutes. All right, guys. And so that is it for this video. I want you to stay tuned for more tips and tricks videos. Also, you can watch all of the videos, all of the videos that I have at the very bottom of this video. Also, for persons that join me in this business, I also have an awesome traffic method that I use that I will share with you in another video. Until next time, guys, you guys be safe, and I want to see you win. And always remember this quote. I give this to all of my students. The more you learn will be the more you earn. You guys have a blessed day. I'll see you in another video shortly.